There are so many, quite frankly, useless videos about Claude on YouTube right now. How to make 10K a week on Claude. It's all airy-fairy advice and you leave those videos still not clear on what to do. And so I'm showing you exactly how I use Claude in my digital product business to make more sales. This is what I call Claude cooking my digital product sales. Now, if we haven't met before, hi, I'm Rochelle. I started selling digital products as a side hustle. When I got laid off from my corporate job, I was able to grow my digital product sales to 148K in 7 months, okay? I'll share everything I've learned. I do it on this channel all the time, but I can only share my results. Your results will depend on your consistency and your effort, okay? But it does become so much easier when you can just copy and paste strategies that work, just like this one. So let's start with the first thing that Claude is doing for me right now. And this is actually the most important part of selling your digital products, because without this thing, all the work that you do, marketing and promoting your product, will be for nothing. And I'm talking about your sales page, okay? This is also sometimes called a landing page. They're the same thing. This is the page that your potential customer lands on. This is where they buy your product, okay? So this happens after your marketing. Once you do your marketing and you send them to the page, this is it. But here's the thing, right? If you don't say the right thing on this page, and if it isn't well designed and it doesn't show your digital product in the best possible light, guess what? People are not going to buy. And then you would have wasted all that marketing time that you did in the first place, okay? So sales pages used to take me so long. I used to spend days, if not weeks on them, right? Because they are so important. And then once my business grew and got a bit busier and I had more on my plate, I then started paying a freelancer to help me create my sales pages, which was expensive, okay? But not anymore, because Claude is now creating this for me, right? And here's an example of what Claude built me from scratch, okay? In just an hour or so. Everything that you're looking at here was built with Claude. And like I say, it took under an hour. And this one page right here made me over £2,000 last week, right? Now, if you're wondering, how does this work? Let me break it down. I tell Claude what the product is. I tell it about my brand colors. I talk about the product, how I wanted to describe it. I talk about the headlines, what I want on the page, okay? I just brain dump it all, and then Claude will build all the content and create the page for me, right? And so if you're ever watching a video and you're like, gosh, what's the most important thing I can take from this video? Trust me, this is it. Sales pages are important. AI can help you create them. But here's the thing though, those sales pages, they don't make money on their own, right? You need to actually get your customers to that page. And the best way that I've been doing this is with emails. And guess who's writing them? Yes, Claude, right? But before I show you how, it's probably important for you to know that I actually send 2 types of emails. 1, nurture emails. These are all about building trust. And 2, sales emails. These actually sell my products. Now, Claude is helping me write both types of email, and trust me, so much better than ChatGPT, okay? So this is how the workflow works when I do it for my emails. Again, I voiced up my ideas to Claude, right? I just speak into Claude, saying what my idea is, and I actually use an app called Whisperflow. Not sponsored, it's just amazing, and it's the great way to turn your voice into text, okay? This is how I move quickly when I'm talking to AI. I'll leave a link below. You can get a free month on the Pro plan if you use my link, and I get a free month too, okay? Now, Claude takes that voice note basically, and it makes it into a very highly effective email. It structures it, it's completely in my own voice, and then Claude Code will then schedule those emails inside my email platform and also log everything to my Notion. Now, this video and everything that I'm telling you, it's not me just saying, oh, this might be a great way to make money. These actual emails is how I've actually actually made money in the last week, okay? I've made this much and it is only Wednesday today just from sending those emails that Claude created for me, right? So don't sleep on emails. And what I love about them is it literally takes me no more than 5 minutes to send that voice note to Claude and everything else happens automatically, right? And it's just such an effective part of my marketing strategy. And I highly recommend you guys spend some time growing your email list and sending emails, because this will help you make more sales, right? But I actually can't talk about how good Claude's emails have been without also mentioning the other marketing strategy that Claude has completely taken off my plate. And I'm glad, because I hate doing it, but it makes me money. And that is my Instagram stories. Now, I will be the first to admit I'm not a social media girl. I tried posting on TikTok for 2 years trying to sell my digital products, and it was messy, okay? It wasn't great. It was very inconsistent. And it wasn't until I started using Pinterest and YouTube that I actually started to make real money selling my digital products, okay? But because this is my job to test stuff and we all want to make more sales, I've been testing stories and I've had Claude create them all for me, okay? Create all of my Instagram stories, same workflow, I'm giving it the brain dump and it is creating it for me. So here's how much my stories made me in the last week. And I think that's pretty good given that I don't really care for Instagram much at all, right? So that's all the marketing. Let's talk about product creation, because sales pages, emails, Instagram, they only go so far if you don't have a good digital product that people actually want to buy. And nowadays, you don't have to spend weeks creating it or trying to learn Canva, none of that, okay? Claude can literally create your digital products for you. Now, I'm not the type of person just to jump on an AI bandwagon for the sake of it, right? I pride myself on having digital products that are very, very good. I set a very high bar for my digital products. But even I have been shocked at how amazing the apps that Claude has created for me, right? They're quite possibly some of the best digital products that I've created to date. Now, this isn't the first time I've sold apps as digital products. I've created others with Lovable, right? I've also been creating custom GPTs for ages, but creating apps with Claude, not only is it so much easier, but the functionality, in my opinion, it just blows the other options out of the window, okay? So let me tell you about the 2 apps I'm about to launch. The first one is the one that you guys have been asking me for so long, because you ask under all of my videos, where do I start? How do I find my product idea? What's my plan? Like, can you give me a step-by-step plan? And as much as I would love to answer every single one of those comments individually, I actually can't. And so I built an app that will help you create a plan, choose your idea, choose the niche. It does all of the research for you, and then it even gives you the step-by-step on how to create it, right? And it recommends where you should sell it. It literally gives you your entire digital product business plan if you're starting out, right? And so if you haven't come up with your idea, if you're not sure what you want to sell, if you just want to get going, this is the app that's really going to help you. Now, I haven't launched it yet, so comment update if you want a follow-up video showing you my launch numbers once I launch this app. And if it is already live by the time I post this video, because I'm about to go backpacking in Thailand for 2 weeks, I will leave a link in the description, right? It's very, very affordable. And an app like this, there's just no way you can get this from a long course. It's going to give you exactly what you would get watching a long, expensive course in about 5 minutes. Okay, so product 2, the second product that I've been creating with Claude, is the new version of my hero product, okay? It's all about driving traffic. Now, currently, I have a system, it's called Cyber CEO. It's about templates, and it has an AI tool which is based in ChatGPT and training to help you get more eyes on your digital products, okay? And it's great seller. I've got like 5 stars, but I just felt it could be a bit more interactive. So I actually turned that into a new and improved AI tool using Claude, okay? And so you can probably tell at this point, I'm pretty much all in on AI tools as my actual digital products that I sell, because they give instant wins, and most importantly, they are fun for me to create. And so if you want to learn the exact process for creating AI tools like this, I do actually break it down in my 24-hour AI product course. It gives you everything you need to use AI to make digital products in less than a day. If you're on the same wave as me and you know that this is going to be a fast, effective way for you to finally create that digital product, you can grab that below, okay? It's going to map it all out step by step. And then if you want to take things even further, I do have a coaching community. It's called Digital Money Moves. This is where you can get access to my feedback, and I run live calls twice a month. So if you just need someone to like look at your stuff and tell you where you're going wrong and what you need to do to get it right, that's the place for you. My members love it in there. I must admit, there are a lot of wins inside, and you'll be surrounded by people that are on this journey with you, okay? And it will help you get unstuck. So one very important thing, one other thing I have to tell you, everything that I've shared in this video, all the amazing things that Claude is doing in my business right now, to be very honest with you and transparent like I always am, this is possible because the ideas come from me. You'll notice in all of my workflows, I brain dump, okay? I tell Claude what I want. It comes from my experience. It comes from my coaching. It comes from me helping the people inside my community. So when you're using Claude to cook your own digital product sales, please keep this in mind. AI is an amplifier. It's going to amplify your thinking. So you need to be the one bringing the experiences, bringing the stories, bringing the brain dump. That's how Claude or any other AI you're using will build great products, great emails, great sales pages so you can make more sales. Now, speaking of emails, that is part of your marketing strategy. And if you really want Claude to do the best work for you when it comes to marketing, which is the most important part, you need a clear plan. You need to be able to tell Claude exactly how you plan to market your digital products and give it the strategy it needs, right? It only works well when you give it a strategy. And your best move is to figure out your strategy based on what's already working for others. I actually shared my full marketing strategy in this completely free masterclass. You should totally watch this video next. You're going to get so many gems and you're going to come away with a real plan to feed into Claude to cook your sales, okay? Watch that next and I'll see you there.